5 everyday food habits that are slowly destroying your health. You've probably eaten something this week that's silently harming your body, and it might not be what you think. I'm talking about everyday meals and food habits that seem normal in places like the US, Nigeria, Ghana, the UK, etc., but could be destroying your health over time. In this video, I'm exposing 5 dangerous food habits people all over the world are guilty of, and I'll show you simple ways to fix them. If you care about your health and what you put into your body, this is for you. Whether you're in Lagos, New York, Accra, or London, the story is the same. Our modern diets are full of highly processed, sugary, and fried foods. And because they're part of our daily routine, we hardly notice the damage. Let's break down the top food habits quietly damaging your body and how to take back control. Number 1. Relying on instant/processed meals. Microwave dinners, instant noodles, canned pasta, they're quick, but full of preservatives, salt, and artificial additives. These foods are designed for convenience, not nourishment. Fix: make time for simple whole meals. Think sweet potatoes with veggies, rice with grilled fish, or even meal prepped stir-fry. You'll feel better and save your body from long-term damage. Number 2. Sugary drinks with every meal. Sodas, bottled juices, sweet teas, they taste great, but many contain as much sugar as dessert. This leads to energy crashes, insulin resistance, and weight gain. Fix: hydrate with herbal teas, fruit-infused water, or coconut water. You get the refreshment without the sugar bomb. Number 3. Skipping real breakfast or relying on sugar. Many people around the world skip breakfast or eat sugar-heavy foods like pastries, white bread, or cereal. This leads to hunger, cravings, and brain fog. Fix: go for high-protein, high-fiber options: oats with nuts, eggs with veggies, or a smoothie with fruits and seeds. You'll stay fuller, longer. Number 4. Over-fried foods. From deep-fried chicken to fried plantains, samosas to French fries, every culture has its version of fried comfort food. But over time, fried foods increase inflammation, slow down digestion, and raise cholesterol. Fix: air fry, bake, or grill your favorites with heart-healthy oils like olive or coconut oil. Same flavor, less damage. Number 5. Eating late at night. In many cultures, dinner is eaten late, sometimes right before bed. But eating heavy meals at night messes with your sleep, causes weight gain, and affects metabolism. Fix: aim to finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you need something light, go for fruit, a handful of nuts, or a small bowl of soup. Once depended on instant noodles and soda during long workdays. Quick, cheap, and tasty. But I started feeling bloated, tired, and irritable. When I switched to real, whole meals, things like roasted sweet potatoes and greens, my energy came back. The difference was huge. Note: it's not about being perfect, it's about being aware. Which of these 5 habits do you struggle with the most? Drop it in the comments. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. I post real, practical food tips every week to help you live healthier, whether you're in Africa, America, or anywhere in between. Remember, fix your food. Fix your life. See you in the next one.